Anyway, that was theme number 1. Here we go. Time for theme number 2. Two, two,
Dun, dun,
two.
dun. I wish we had music every time.
Two, two,
Two,
two.
two, two. Dun, 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 dun.
There we go. All right, time for theme number 2. All right. Now,
I love thing number 2 today.
so if you were with me yesterday, I gave you a little thought into what was happening today. And I said, remember a couple weeks ago when we did a whole week of things that make you go,
Yeah.
Christmas projects that make you
Yes.
go, And one of the projects was something that I was waiting on to get these panels for, and they hadn't come. So I ended up having to scrap that and do something else instead. Well, they finally came, and so today's the day. Now, when some of you are just gonna shake your heads and
Like
go,
me.
really? Really? But let me tell you, I made one, and it was like the Lay's potato chip. You can't just have one.
No.
I wanted to make lots of them because it was so fun. Okay, so what am I talking about? I'm talking about something called a wine shade. Now,
don't look up
No,
on
don't.
Google what a
Don't.
wine shade is, because it just gives you various shades of.
ooh, here's my wine shade. Look how stinking cute that is. But it gets better because there will be pretty soon a light in there. But look at those Santas.
Oh, so fun.
Oh, so cute. Okay, so what is this? What is a wine shade? At first, when I heard the
Right.
name wine shade,
Right.
I was like, what is it for if you drink wine and this shades your wine? And
Oh,
No,
I was
no, no,
thinking.
no,
I
no.
was thinking maybe somebody,
what were you thinking?
like maybe you put it on your wine glass and it.
Yeah, it
Keeps people
covers,
out of it,
keeps
you
other
know?
people out. No, this is a wine shade that is made as a little lamp. So a little light goes in here, and you can have all these different.
Jennifer wants to know if we left some for the rest of us.
They're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So this was so fun to make, but there's a really cool panel from Quilt Smart that comes out that actually is printed, has the glue side on one side, and then the soft side is on the other side. And I'll show you how this works. Yeah, Janice says it keeps the bugs out. No, it is not for real wine, everyone.
It's not going to keep
No.
any bugs out because it's a lampshade,
is
and
a
I don't know anything
lampshade.
else that draws bugs in more. Oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute. So you could put it on this one. Okay. Now you could go to a secondhand store
Mhm.
and get all different, sizes and
cute.
stuff.
And think
These
of the
are so
display.
adorable. And think of the display. It would be adorable.
Yes, year
So,
round.
Here we go.
Okay.
You want to see how easy it is to make? It'll take you 2 minutes. No kidding. It'll take me a little bit longer because I like to talk. But here we go. You're going to take a piece of fabric. This is a layer cake square
10 by 10.
that was left over from another project I was doing. So this is a great way to use your scraps. It does not have to be a 10 by 10. It could be 9 by whatever, but
it cannot be a
use your
5 by
scraps.
5.
No. Can't be a charm pack. No. Unless you make it patchworky and then you put the fusible on. So, Debbie, you are right. She's right. She said it could be make different fabrics at a party and your glasses won't get mixed up.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Things that make you go.
You could. So you could put 2 5x5s. You're right, Christine. You could put 2 5x5s together. Or you could use an old scrap quilt block
Right.
that you wanted to chuck.
Your shirt.
Your shirt. Whatever. It's so fun. So let me show you how easy it is. First of all, there's a bumpy side, that's your glue side, and then there's a smooth side. But they make it really easy for you because you're gonna put it on top of your fabric, and it says this side up. Oh, okay. Pay attention to where it says this side up, and then you can't go wrong, right? If I had it this way, that's no bueno. You're not going to be happy with that because it's going to glue onto there. You want this side up.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, got it?
Right.
Okay, then I'm just going to place it on top of here, and I'm going to stitch on my sewing machine on the solid line from dot to dot and from dot to dot. So these
so you
side
can
seams are
turn
going to
it
be open.
inside out.
Are you with me?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, let's go over to the sewing machine and do this.
I totally was going to correct her and tell her that she had to do it on the wrong side of the fabric, but guess who's wrong again?
Would it be Allison? Bing, ding, ding. There we go. Okay. No, you do want it on the right side of the fabric. Don't listen to Allison.
Right.
Right side of fabric, this side up. All right. Oh, it would help if I had thread in here. That would make a huge difference, you know? What do you think, Allison? Would that be a good thing?
Yeah. Well, you know, a hot
right.
glue stick,
That works too.
safety pins.
Okay. All right, let's try this again. You will start at the dot. There we go. Let
I
me
don't
find
have a
my
very
dot.
good angle because they were teaching this class, and so they have the
Oh, the
embroidery
arm
arm on.
Yeah. So all you have to remember is to back stitch or do a reinforcement stitch. And all you're doing is you're sewing directly on the solid line.
Oh, and then you cut on the dotted line. I get
Mhm.
it. So you
I'm
do
gonna
have
do
to
my
be smarter.
You gotta do my reinforcement stitch. You guys, seriously, you're gonna have so much fun making these.
You'll be like Chris.
Oh my gosh.
Poinsettia pillow
I know.
or a wine
Or
shade.
a wine shade. A wine shade I could get done in 2 minutes. But maybe I need the poinsettia pillow and the wine shade to go together
Yes.
and have them coordinate. Okay, so here we go. And I'm going to do another locking stitch here or a back stitch. Okay, that's it. That is almost it. Okay, so now let's head over here. I'm just going to trim on the curved edges, and I will actually use my rotary cutter to do that. I could use scissors if I want, but there is a dotted line, a dashed line that is just about 1/8 of an inch outside of the solid line where I sewed. So all I have to do is cut on the dashed line.
I'm having a little PTSD because you're not. Because your fingers are too close. I would use scissors at this point in my life.
Yes, you probably would. Oh, and you certainly could. Okay. And then cut on this one. There we go. Look at that. I actually remembered to put that back. Okay. Okay, so now you have this. You're going to turn it all the way right side out. Your interfacing is going to automatically go to the back. And that interfacing has the fusible side on it now. So what we have to do is just pull our seams out. It's kind of like rolling seams out. I'm going to lick my fingers. I know some might go, no, Chris, don't do that, COVID. But no, it's fine. I'm just licking my fingers and rolling this. Now you could also get the R&K turning tool and pull that out. But I'm just chopstick. I'm just doing this lickety split. Okay, there we go. Do you see it? All the seams are rolled out. It's a very nice, gentle curve. So now I'm going to take it to the ironing board, and iron it. And actually, you know what I'll do?
Bring the ironing board to you.
Yep. Yeah, we'll make this easy. I'm going to bring my little ironing mat to me. And that glue is going to fuse onto the back, which just gives it a little more of a sturdiness to it. Okay, super easy. All right. And now all you have to do is put right sides together. So you're folding it in half, and then you just stitch on that final solid line. Okay. And you just stitch down and make sure you back stitch as well. And let's go ahead and do that.
Do you want them to watch you?
Sure. Okay. That's it. And now we're going to open up that seam. So I'll come back over here to iron this, or to press this, I should say. Just going to open up the seam like this. Oops. There we go. It's like, where is that? There we go. Give it a little press. Okay, I'm gonna clip my corners. Whoops, sorry, Allison.
You're fine.
Okay, and turn it right side out. Look how cute!
Oh, that's so cute and so easy.
Oh my goodness, so easy. So now the fun part comes in where we put this on any kind of wine glass we want. So let's come back over to the table and let's pull out our lights, because what you do is you put in a tea light.
Here we come.
Okay. Really, really simple, right? Okay, so Allison was given the assignment to grab the tea lights. So did you grab the tea lights, Allison?
Well, Chris, sometimes with a gal like me, you got to be a little bit more specific. So you said grab a tea light. So I'm at the
geez.
store going,
Okay. Allison,
what's a tea light?
are you trying to pull one on me?
So the first thing I grabbed
geez.
was a bike light. Is that a tea
Nice.
light?
No, it's not. It will work, I suppose.
So
Okay,
I
bring out the
wandered
tea
around
light.
a little bit more,
Oh my gosh.
and I came up with a flashlight.
Okay. Okay. Tea light time. Tea light.
Oh, how cool.
A blinking light.
Blinking slower.
That could work.
So then,
Oh my heck.
then
Oh, well, now those are
guess what?
cute. What?
I couldn't find a tea light.
Serious?
I went to 3 stores.
Are you kidding me?
I even called Hobby Lobby. They must be on a container somewhere
No tea lights. If you
because there
guys
are no
have
tea lights.
Well, battery operated tea lights. Do not use the real thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you get? These are cute. These are cute.
So
That
you
could
got
work.
a tree light.
Well,
Get it? Tea light.
tea light,
Tree
light.
light.
Oh, look at you. And look how that glows. And ooh, it changes colors.
Yes.
Did you
So,
do that on purpose?
When you send me for a,
I'm never sending
errand.
her for on errands again. Okay.
sometimes you got to be creative.
Oh my
so I got a
heck.
tree light.
Oh, there you go. Tana said you could put the Kimberbell fairy lights in the glass too. Well, that's a cute idea.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you
And I would have
crack me
just had to
up.
go downstairs.
You crack me up. That is funny. Look at this. That's not so bad though, Allison.
I know. I thought.
Okay, here we go. Let's see.
I'm gonna turn off the lights.
Oh, we gotta play with no lights.
Yeah.
So everyone
they have
can
to
see how
what
cute
this
this is. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me?
Look how cute.
Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Okay, let me try and get this a little bit better here. There
So
we
you
go.
know
Okay, that's cute.
when you're the marketing and sales
Yeah, no,
director, and
you're
it's-
amazing.
then
That's
sometimes you got to think outside the box. So Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
'Cause I had to think outside the block.
Oh
I didn't
my
know where. I
heck,
thought I was going to
that's
have
so
to go home to get a
cute.
tea light.
Okay, that's cute. And then we had one of our gals, Amber, brought this for us, this
Let's do this.
wine glass. And let's see what else we've got. Oh, that's- oh my heck. A tea light would probably work a little bit better, but you know, there. Look how cute!
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that
Isn't
actually
that
is really
cute?
adorable.
Yes. I don't know how to make that work, but let's do this.
Well, that works. Oh, we're gonna have like
Maybe if you're
Di-
drinking wine,
disco time.
don't do that. So
Okay, that's really cute.
it doesn't have to be a tea light.
No, it doesn't.
So
Well, you know what? Good job. Cheers to you. Ding. Cheers to you. Oh my heck. Dollar Tree. So everyone's realizing that the tea lights are out. They must be on one of those boats.
yes.
So hopefully you guys have tea lights that are battery operated.
I do
You
have
want
some at home.
battery operated that
But-
you could put in here. But these aren't
But think
so
outside
bad.
the box.
Well,
a little.
That's a little weird, but it's a bike light. Look at that. It's a helmet light.
That's not that
Oh
weird.
my heck. That's so funny. So look how cute those are. Can you picture there's Kyle. I had no idea they were out. Yeah. Kyle, this is all your fault.
Guess who should be here today?
It was supposed to be the Chris and Kyle show today.
Kyle should have been looking for tea lights. Do you think Kyle could have came up with as creative?
Yes, she could have.
Yep.
She could have because she's
It would
a
have been
thinker.
even. It would have been even better.
Mhm. Yeah. So anyway, super fun, cute. Just one of those really different ideas.
Yes.
And think about how fun it would be to embroider these. You could do embroidery on them
Oh,
beforehand.
yes.
You could do a patchwork block and just as a whole big piece and then lay your fusible on top of that, couldn't you?
You could embellish fringe.
Pom-poms,
Pom-poms.
rick-rack,
Yes.
you name it.
Diamonds.
All right. Kyle has some at her house. Kyle, you're so in trouble.
Kyle, I had to go shopping.
Here we go. Super fun. Lots of fun ideas to do with it. Really, truly, the possibilities are endless. And like I said, it's like the lace chip. You can't just make one because I made one. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I could do it with this fabric. I want to do it with this fabric. It was so cool. So there you go. And that is today's tutorial.
Right. That was a fun one.
Yeah, Curse. You could use Kimberbell fairy lights. That'd be really cute.
I
Just
think it
have
would
them
be
kinda
too.
rolling up in there. It would be really cute.
Right.
So, Alice says Amazon has them in stock.
Oh,
Fabulous.
thank you, Alice.
There
And
we
Like
go.
I said, if you're needing tea lights for anything else, I would buy them because
Again,
tea lights
Ba-
must come
battery
from China.
operated. Battery operated. Oh, there you go. Laurel said she couldn't find a tea light or tree at Dollar Tree. They are on the boat. Found one finally at Walgreens by the candles. Last 2 packages.
Sorry, gang.
Laurel got
found
them. That's awesome, Laurel. I love it.
it.
So that is our tutorial today. Super simple, right?
Right.